Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14th September every year in India. Hindi language got the status of official language on 14th September 1949. Hindi is the most spoken language in India. Hindi language is the identity of India. Hindi language is a reflection of our country's culture and right. The main objective of celebrating Hindi Divas is an effort to save Hindi. Today we are giving more importance to English language. Those who do not know English, we understand them to be illiterate. We should not give much importance to English language except our Hindi language. We must learn English but not by reducing the importance of Hindi language. Hindi language is our pride. Hindi Divas is celebrated to increase the promotion of Hindi language. Hindi language is the pride of the country. Let us pledge today that Hindi language has to be taken forward and its progress has to be made. On Hindi Divas is to awaken the self-respect of Hindi among the people. हिंदी दिवस पर ठाना है, लोगों में हिंदी का स्वाभिमान जगाना है.